so my problem is 517 divided by 5. So my first approach is going to be estimating how many will be in each group. So I know that 5 times 100 is equal to 500. So I know that every group will have at least 100. And then I also know that 5 times 3 equals 15. So then I also know that each group will probably have 3, and then I'll have a remainder. But I'll know that they'll have about 103 each. So that was my estimation. Now I'm going to solve this problem concretely. So I have my 5 groups, and I have my 517. So 500s, 110s, and 7 ones. So right now, I'm going to do this symbolically while I do this concretely. So 517, 5. So first of all, I know that I can put 100 into each group because I have 5 of these. So one in each group. I'm going to record that over here. I'm going to put 100 over here because I put 5 of them. Or I put 100 into each group 5 times. So 5 times 100 is 500. So then I'm left with 17 left over. So now I have some ones here. So I'm going to put one of these into each group. So I put 1 into each group. 1 times 5 is 5. So I have 12 left over. So this 10 won't go into each group evenly, so I'm going to exchange it with the bank. So I'm going to take 10 ones. And I think that I can put 2 of these 2 ones into each group. So I'm going to do that. 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here. So I put another 2 into each group. 5 times 2 is 10. So I'm going to minus 10 from that 12, and I have a remainder of 2. So 2 doesn't evenly go into 5, or 5 doesn't evenly go into 2. So I have a remainder of 2. And then I'm going to add up these because this is what I put into each group. So 100 plus 1 plus 2 is 103. So my answer is 103 with a remainder of 2. And as you can see, I have 103 in each group concretely and 2 left over. And my last method I'm going to use is I'm going to expand my numbers. So again, my question is 517 divided by 5. So I know that 5 goes into 500 100 times. So I'm going to go 500. And I have 17 left over, so 5 times 3 is 15. So I'm going to put 15 here, my 3 up there. So 500 plus 15 is 515. Or 500 plus 15 is 515. But I have 2 left over. 5 does not go into 2, so I have a remainder of 2. So my answer left is 103, remainder